naming stuff. Dude, you have to help me out. You have to help me out.
What?
Like, okay, NaCl, they say that's sodium chloride.
Yeah.
But it's NaCl, not sodium chloride.
No, dude. Don't think of it as like an actual word. You gotta break it up into the symbols. Okay, the symbols. Yeah. NaCl. Na is sodium, right? Cl is chlorine, right?
Sodium?
Yes. Look at your periodic table.
You're right. Oh. Yeah, you're right. All right. And
okay. So you just put sodium and chloride together.
Wait. But then how can you just put them together like that?
Because
Can't
the charges.
Sodium,
because
lithium.
no, listen, dude. The sodium has a +1 charge, right? And not lithium. My bad. Chloride has a -1 charge. You put them together, +1 -1 equals 0. And ionic compounds don't have a charge, so you know that because it equals 0, the charge equals 0.
I don't understand anything.
Okay, you don't understand math. It's like simple math. Okay. I got something. Alright, I got something to help you remember. Hey, yo, Dad, hit up the track right quick. Let's go! Yeah, for those of you who wanna know what naming is all about, it's like this, y'all.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, but 50% pain. That does 100% mean that you remember the name.
I don't read the words of the board, just wanna get the name right. Though my mind's at discord, cause naming's so unlike everything else I've learned. In spite of the fact I sometimes still think that I know if I get it. Don't know the code, it's not about my sentiments, it's all about the elements and naming them straight. Making the compound, making sure my grade stays up. That means when I put it down, teacher's picking it up.
What the heck is that anyway? I've never really thought much, never had problems with names, I'm still leaving me dumbstruck. Humbled through opportunities given to me despite the fact that many misjudge me since my web designs are total crap. Put it together myself, no metals combined, put in molecular compound join, non-metals is fine. So I'm only focused on the name, but I must get fast, so that the grade that I get proves that I'm a true naming master.
Cation, plus anion, positive, negative, respectively. Naming ionic compounds is something I do respectively. Who would have thought the cation's name stays the same? The anion's name is usually the one I see change. But if the anion's polyatomic, then the name stays the same. Otherwise, the non-metal ends with dot in its name. But don't forget, with transition metals, you gotta use stock system, cause metals can change the amount of electrons that they got with them.
Use 10% H or 20% K. Have a 15% concentrated gas or BA. 5% water, 50% NA, but still 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Mr. Smith, the teach with a whiteboard in a speech, getting rid of the myths about naming. Cause sometimes our class gets so confused regarding which naming system that we're supposed to use. Check your polyatomic charges on page 55. Put a metal in front, match the charges, you'll be just fine. That's an ionic compound when electrons are taken, but in molecular compounds are shared. Don't be mistaken. Bring it back. Naming's not something you just understand. You gotta use your ionics, man. 3 styles like the back of your hand. Simple iron is metal, non-metal. People don't know the name, how to use the stock system, or how polyatomics don't change. Next, naming molecules. Repractices are cool. Know the second name ends with that, so you don't look like a fool. So Young Moose is known around as one of the best, acing all his chem tests with the 100%.
Get this. Nobody really knows how or why I work so hard. It seems I've never got it right, because I write CO2 from carbon dioxide and I see NaCl. I think sodium chloride. So many ions appear in my head at this rate. Nitrate, carbonate, and the 3-part acetate. And how do I get all these compounds that I write? Ridiculous, without even trying. How do I do
This is 1 atom is mono, 2 atoms is di, 4 atoms are tetra with only 3 atoms dry, 5 atoms is penta, first name stays the same, and mono only goes on the second element name. 6 atoms is hexa, 7 atoms is hepta, 8 atoms are octa, 9 atoms are lambda, 10 atoms is deca. Stick out on the last name, but these prefixes only go with the molecular name.
Yes, sir. J Huang, first period Smith, rapping here with your boy GM, and Young Moose, and of course, Dan Pesky. Alright? We just took y'all through every single naming system in the chemistry. Alright, you got any problems, just holler at your boy. Alright? Yeah.
go there.
Here you go.
Is a set or was?
Start over.